The company was established in 2005 by Fridtjof Nyhamn and Anne Dalanger Dyrli. In the beginning, Resman was set up to solve only one thing: identify water breakthrough in oil wells. The first major breakthroughs were with Marathon in Norway and BHP in Australia. They were big orders with deliveries over several years, and they were important for how Resman has developed since then.
Our customers pushed us to develop many new tracers and increase longevity, and we invested heavily in R&D.
In 2018, Resman acquired Restrack, offering pumpable tracers who has been continuously enhanced over the last 30 years.
From the start with water monitoring, Resman was now able to measure oil and soon also gas. As long as a well is flowing, we can provide data.
The organization and technology has been through massive changes over the years.
Going from a small company based in Trondheim to a global company with offices around the world.
We have now installed over 7,000 tracer systems in more than 40 different countries.
We wanted to be a company going the extra mile,
And we have now a complete portfolio of reservoir tracer solutions.